Welcome, guys. So today we're gonna do the enemy. We're gonna do the weekly analysis very fast. So we'll be checking out all these pairs on my right. So let's begin. So on GBP USD, last week it was in a downtrend. So this is the level it has respected much. Okay. So after this breakout, we were expecting something like this, and then continuation, right? But it didn't happen. It continued pushing down. So what you're waiting for is something like this. We just needed to go up from a higher high before going down. Simple as that. Okay. We just need it can form the higher high here, 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 here. It doesn't matter as long as it respects the low, right? Okay. On USD JPY, it has been on an uptrend, so it had broken above this high right here. Okay, so simple wait for this, unless you're really good with this strategy, or you're really a professional. It's not a good idea to enter on a moving trend. Okay, always wait for the exhaustion and then expect the continuation. Okay, simple as that. I try to keep my charts as clean as possible, so we can go and check out Euro USD. Okay, so on Euro USD is simple. We see it made this level right here. So that was the major key level, right? So it's simple. The strategy is simple. You just wait for an exhaustion, then continuation. That's how simple this strategy is. Okay, I know most of you will not believe me, but that's how the strategy is. Very simple. Trading is that simple. Okay, so same thing here. Price broke above this low. Below. It broke below this low. So same thing as we expect. You always want price to go a little further before the retest and continuation. Okay, as long as you understand currency strength, you will know why this is the USD JPY is going up while AUD USD is going down. Okay, so let's check out USD CHF. Okay, so simple is the highs. So wait for price to get there, and then we see the reaction if it's going to break above, or if it's going to maintain below that level. Okay, as simple as that. Once it gets there, you wait for to see how price will react to this level, and then you take your entry. On USD card, simple, same thing. You just have this, you can mark this as your high, because I really don't like trading history. I like to trade the current price action like this. So we have this one, and then we have this as our low, right? And then so we want something like this, and we test on this key level. If you don't believe me, as I told you, I also know ICT strategy. So on ICT, this one would be the order block, and they would be waiting for price to come to this key level, and then continuation up. Okay, because of this imbalance, ICT is a little complicated, but strategy is the same. Okay, just wait for an exhaustion and then wait for the continuation to continue. Simple as that. AUD card. So something like this, I don't, as I said, I don't like trading history. So we have this high because this is the level that price respected the most. And then we have this low. As you can see, it's still ranging on that low. So the best advice is you wait to see if it breaks below or it breaks above. After that, after it has broken below, you look for sell entries. After it has broken above, you look for buy entries. Simple as that. I'll not be placing the targets and all that because, as I said, I like to keep my charts clean. Okay. So, for example, something like this. As you can see, it went from a low to a high to a low to a high to a low. That's this. The market moves like this. Okay. You just need to be patient enough and learn enough and accept enough to get it. Okay. So we have those the key level. That's the area where price respected the most. So we have this level down here. Okay. That's where price was respected again. So what's the plan? The plan is you have two styles of entry. You can enter when it breaks above this key level. If you are more of a conservative entry, but if you are a risk taker, you just wait for the momentum to shift and the price start closing above these wicks, and then you can take your entry something like this. The stop loss below that low, then you go for usual 1 2 3. See, simple as that. That's how trading is done. Okay, so New Zealand and the US dollar, simple. As I said, the strategy is the same. Marking key levels is easy. I don't want you to forget this. Marking this key level is easy. What you do when price gets there is the hard part. Okay, so price has broken below the lows. What you're waiting for is a retest, then a continuation. Simple as that. Yeah, same thing. You can see here something like this. I will not trade history. As I said, I will not trade history. So we will mark our high. Okay, it was on a downtrend and now it started breaking this highs. So it might have changed the trend. Okay, so we have these two key levels. Okay, so if price breaks below this zone, we'll be looking for sales. If you know how to trade ranges, then this is your place. Okay, even if you're using ICT strategy, still the same thing. This is the order block. Because of the break of this highs, break of this market structure, so price was supposed to come here and then continue up. Okay, simple as that. So we wait to see the reaction this key level and then expect a continuation. Simple as that. To this above this high so that the trend may continue. Okay, and now last but not the least, we check out gold. Okay, so on gold the same strategy. As you can see, price respected this key level. Price did not close below this key level. Okay, so it went up, and then come and retested again, and then finally broke below. So what we want to see happen is that we want to see a retest, then a continuation for the sell trend. Okay, or the down trend. Simple as that. Okay, So that's all. I didn't want this video to be long, so that's all. Thank you for joining. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. See you on our next video.